On everybody, this is Polio Jr. And in today's video, I wanted to go over a very simple, amazing program called Cawice or Kawise. Not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but anyway, this app at the moment is just for Androids. But it looks like in the near future that they will have it available um, for Apple devices as well. This is an excellent alternative to use for a security application, like a surveillance tool. So let's open it up. So essentially, what what you do is obviously the you put the app on a different on an older on a different phone or tablet, maybe a one that you had before that you just don't use anymore, and then you can set it up in a certain spot. And now you can see I have my kitchen as online. So now while I'm in the other room, let's see, let me hit play here. Should be able to see. Uh, Start playing. I don't know what the hell that was, but it'll just start playing an alarm. So let's see. Here we go. Go back. Um, yeah, yeah. So there's a couple advertisements every once in a while, but they're very short. It really isn't anything that bad. So let's go back to live. Do, do, do. Don't make my crap. but let's just get through this very short advertisement. Like I said, this app is completely free, which is amazing. But let me see if we can see any. Okay, records. And all right, there we go. So we have our record from what we just did, and then 12:58, 12:58. Okay, and then oh, that was a capture. So the video is right there. That's it. And then I can go to a previous one, I believe. Wait. Okay, yeah, so you can see that this was actually, look, so this was today. Or no, the one playing right now. That was today. Previous one was yesterday. So, and then if there were any prior ones to that, I could have, it says the date on them and all that good stuff. So it'll actually save to your gallery, and you can actually use it in any instance that you need to, which is pretty cool. So yeah, you can use it. You can watch anything that you've recorded on the app itself. Now, the only down. Now, this is to enable sharing. Add users you want to share this camera with. So I can actually share this. You send it through with email. You send it to someone's email. They click on the link, and then they are now able to see what's being viewed as well. So So let's go to, let's see here. Man, I just want to make sure that there isn't anything private. I don't think there really is anything private here, but hopefully not. Because there is an area where you can go onto here, and you can manage. Let's see here, settings. Okay, there we go. Manage the settings, and then you can get, you know, alert notifications if there is a motion detection. You know, off, low, high, medium, whatever the case may be. There are some things in here that obviously you do need to pay for with the premium, which isn't that much. I think it's just a couple bucks, but it's still pretty cool. You know, the automatic alarm if there is motion detection or sound detection, that kind of stuff. So HD video quality isn't really that big of a deal if you're just looking for something, you know, for an everyday basis sort of thing. So if you really look to go like a step further, then I would highly suggest, you know, paying whatever it is, the couple of extra bucks to add more cameras and to be able to use the extra features. So, but yeah, it is, at least they let you use the motion detection in, you know, for free, which is pretty cool. So, this is my favorite one. One, you know, one device at a time. It's the best one for that. Now, I will at least point you in the direction of the other one that I've played with a little bit, and it's called Alfred Camera. And this is an app where you can add as many cameras as you want onto Alfred Camera. It just didn't seem like there were as many options or as many features that Kawise had. But as far as adding as many devices as you want, then definitely check out Alfred Camera. So that one is, they're both very easy to use, but Alfred Camera just doesn't have you know, as many features as Kawise does. So, but that is it. I wanted to share that with you. I love that, you know, we live in this time where we can do this sort of thing. Well, we've been able to do this for a while, but I love that we can, you know, do it just so easily now. I mean, I was doing this back in 2006 and 2007, you know, with programs on a computer, and it's just nice to do it on an old tablet. You know, it's pretty interesting. But anyway, that is it. Please look forward to the Bitcoin giveaway. It is coming out. I'm just working out some kinks. Definitely check out the new merchandise store. There's some really cool stuff in there, and look forward to three cryptocurrencies that are going to go through the roof, and that is going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu. Those are the three. So that's just from what I've been researching and checking out. That's where it's at. So anyway, sorry about the long video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Love you. See you in the next one. Goodbye.